Welcome back to MVP Garage. We are back with the new review of Subaru Forester UK. Before start, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's start. The 2025 Subaru Forester, set to launch in the UK in spring 2025, introduces several notable updates. Powertrain and performance. E-Boxer mild hybrid system. The Forester is equipped with Subaru's E-Boxer mild hybrid powertrain, combining a direct injection 2.0-liter horizontally opposed 4-cylinder petrol engine with an electric motor. This setup aims to enhance fuel efficiency and provide smoother acceleration. All-wheel drive and X mode. Maintaining Subaru's commitment to all-wheel drive, the Forester features a dual-function X mode system, now enhanced to provide motor assistance even when reversing. This system, along with hill descent control, ensures optimal traction and control on various terrains. Design and dimensions. Exterior redesign. The 6th generation Forester showcases a comprehensive exterior redesign, featuring sharper lines, a more prominent grille, and updated headlights, giving it a more refined and robust appearance. Ground clearance. With a ground clearance of 220 mm, the Forester is well prepared for off-road adventures, allowing it to navigate rough terrains with ease. Interior and technology. Advanced safety features. The Forester is equipped with 15 advanced safety features, including new additions like the emergency driving stop system and traffic sign recognition. The driver monitoring system has been upgraded to detect microsleeps and wandering eye movements, helping prevent fatigue-related accidents. Infotainment system. An 11.6-inch high-resolution touchscreen serves as the central hub for the infotainment system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, as well as wireless device charging. Towing capacity. Enhanced capability. The Forester boasts a towing capacity of 1,870 kilograms, making it suitable for hauling trailers or small caravans, catering to those with active lifestyles. These enhancements in the 2025 Subaru Forester aim to provide a balanced blend of performance, safety, and versatility, catering to both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Welcome back to MVP Garage. We are back with the new review of Subaru Forester UK. Before start, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's start. The 2025 Subaru Forester, set to launch in the UK in spring 2025, introduces several notable updates.